In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and embed video in Webflow. Before we begin, it's important to understand one key detail. In Webflow, standard video handling is a little different than what some people expect. Webflow does not directly host downloadable or fully playable video files with audio through a normal video element in the same way you might find on other platforms. So if you want to use your own MP4 file inside your project, one simple option is to use the background video element. Start by opening your Webflow design project so you are on the main designer screen. This is where you will add and position the video on your page. Once your project is open, go to the Add Elements panel. From there, scroll down until you reach the Advanced section. In that section, look for the background video element. Now drag and drop the background video element onto your canvas. Place it in the section where you want the video to appear. This gives you a visual container for your uploaded video and lets you style it as part of your page layout. Make sure you place it carefully, especially if the video is meant to sit behind text or inside a hero section. After the element has been added, click on the option to upload your video. A file browser window will open, and from there you can select the MP4 video file from your computer. Once you've chosen the correct file, click Open to begin the upload. At this point, Webflow will start processing the video. This can take a little time depending on the file size and your internet speed. So just give it a moment. It's normal for the upload and processing stage to take longer with larger video files. So be patient and wait until the video is fully ready. Once the video has finished uploading, you can adjust its playback settings. You'll see options for looping the video and enabling autoplay. If you want the video to continuously repeat, check the loop option. If you want it to begin playing automatically when the page loads, enable autoplay. You may also see an option to include play and pause controls, which can be useful if you want visitors to have more direct control over the video. As a quick tip, test your page after setting everything up to make sure the video behaves the way you want on the live site. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.